Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thanks be to Allah Almighty, who has given us good condition to join our online learning class. In this class, allow me to introduce my fellow teammate. My fellow teammate consists of Rodatul Jannah, first speaker, Like Besmoy, second speaker, and Andi Rambe, third speaker. Let's start from first speaker, Rodatul Jannah.
Okay, thank you, Andy. The judicial branch or judiciary in the USA is one of the three co-equal branches of the federal government, established by Article 3 of the Constitution to interpret laws, apply them to real situations, and decide if laws violate the Constitution. The US system of government divides power into three federal branches to ensure checks and balances. 1. Executive law enforcement. This branch is led by the president, who is tasked with running the government and enforcing federal laws. Current leader Donald Trump, in office from January 20, 2025 for a second term. Main components: President, Vice President, and Cabinet consisting of heads of executive department. Functions: Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, implementer of foreign diplomacy, and holder of veto power over draft laws. Here are the details of each power. 1. Executive, President, and Cabinet. Veto: the right to reject bills made by Congress. Commander-in-Chief holds full control over the military, army, sea, and air. Appointment of officials: appointing Chief Justice, ministers, and ambassadors. Gracie: granting pardon or leniency to federal offenders. Executive order: issue direct instructions that have the force of law without the prior approval of Congress. Next. Lika, please.
Number 2. Legislative lawmaker. Legislative power is held by the United States Congress, which has bicameral system. Senate consists of 100 members, two people from each state, with a term of, of 6 years. House of Representatives consists of 435 members representing district based on population with a 2 year term. Function: making federal laws, setting the budget, the budget, APBN, declaring war, and giving approval on the appointment of high-ranking official and chief justice. Here are details of each power. Legislative: Congress, Senate and House of Representatives, making laws, writing, discussing, and passing federal laws. Power of the purse: controlling the expenditure of state money and tax setting. Impeachment: the right to accuse and dismiss the president or a judge. The House of Representatives convenes, the Senate convenes. Confirmation: the Senate must approve the president's choice for important positions, such as Chief Justice or Minister. Declaring war: the president leads the troops, but only Congress can officially declare war. Next.
3. Judicial or interpreter of law. This branch is tasked with interpreting laws and ensuring all policies comply with the United States Constitution. Supreme Court. Supreme Court of the United States composition consists of one Chief Justice and eight Associate Justice who serve for life. Structure below. There are 13 circuit courts and 94 district courts. Main function. Conduct judicial review of the actions of the executive and legislative branches. Here are the details of each power: judiciary, Supreme Court, and federal court. Judicial review. This is its greatest strength, the right to review laws or actions of the president if they are deemed to violate the Constitution. Interpretation of law. Interpreting the meaning of laws that are often ambiguous or multi-interpreted. Dispute resolution, mediating interstate conflicts or high-profile legal cases involving the federal government. Lifetime term, Chief Justice serve forever, except retirement or death, so that they are free from electoral political pressure. The founding fathers, especially James Madison, were very adamant about separating power for one main reason: fear or tyranny based on their history. And political theory, here are the profound reasons. One, avoiding the taking of power or anti-tyranny, they had just escaped the rule of the King of England, George III, whom they considered a dictator. Madison wrote in Federalist Papers number 47, the accumulation of all power in the same hands, whether one, few, or many, can be expressed as definition of tyranny. Two, the natural nature of man who thirsts for power. The founders of the United States believed that human naturally tends to abuse power if given the opportunity. The solution is not to find an angel leader, but to create a system where ambition must be made to contract ambition. Three, checks and balance system. They want each branch to have a weapon to stop other branches if they start acting excessively. The legislature can dismiss the president impeachment. The executive can repeal the law from the legislature or veto. The judiciary can declare both actions invalid or judicial review. 4. Protecting minority rights. By dividing power, they make it difficult for one majority group, for example, the dominant political party, to immediately change all laws in an instant. The process is made fierce and slow so that each decision is truly considered carefully. In summary, they favor a slow and contentious government over fast but often overship one. Thank you.